Hey everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can create a Word files or Docs file in Google Docs Mobile. So I've already opened my Google Docs. When I click on the plus icon to create a new document, there are only two options: choose from a template or create a new document, which is a new Google Docs file. But if you want to create a Word file, you can actually just do this. So you can just click on the three dots icon at the top and then go to settings. Then after that, you'll find in the document creation section there is a create Word files options. So when you turn on this feature, you can show options to create the Word files alongside Google Docs file. So just click on the circle until it turns to blue. So when you go back and click on a plus icon, the option to create a new Word file will appear. Okay, so just click on this and a blank page will create it. So when you save this file, it will be saved as a Microsoft Word document. Okay, so I think that's all. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.